Hi everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. I'm making my most favorite fried rice this time. It's Thai chili basil fried rice. This is such an easy recipe. I mean, you have your leftover rice, you don't have to cook the rice. Always use cold leftover a day old rice. That would be perfect for any fried rice. So I have around 4 cups of basmati rice here. And I have around 250 grams of chicken breast, very thinly sliced, so that it just cooks really fast. And it's fried rice, we need to do everything fast, right? I have very hot variety of red chili, which is bird's eye chili. I'm going with 5 bird's eye chili. I have 5 garlic cloves. I'll be using half brown onion. I have 1 sprig of green onion. I have 1 bunch of Thai basil, very fragrant and fresh and beautiful. We'll be using only the leaves and we'll be using quite a lot of it, so around 1 cup fresh Thai basil. So let's marinate the chicken first. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce and freshly cracked black pepper and pinch of salt. Give it a mix. Keep it aside. So just roughly chopping the chilies. We will make a coarse paste of garlic and chili. So we need to make a coarse paste of chili and garlic. That's the texture we need. We'll be using half of the onion, just slicing it. 1 cup of Thai basil. If Thai basil is not available to you, go for Italian basil. They work perfectly as well. I love this fried rice so much. This was the first thing I ate after giving birth to my daughter, and it was spicy, but I loved it. I was so tired. I wanted to have this food. This is one of my comfort food. So let's get the sauce ready. Half tablespoon fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, and half teaspoon dark soy sauce. That's it. That's all the sauce we need. We'll give it a good mix and keep it aside. Heat a wok, pan, whatever you're using. It needs to be really, really hot. Add a little bit of cooking oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll add the chili and garlic paste that we made. We add in a chicken. Just spread it so that it cooks evenly. So around 3 to 4 minutes. We add in our onions. We'll add in the rice. So we'll push the rice on the side and we'll add the sauce. So I'm just going to caramelize the sauce on the side for a little bit for that extra smoky flavor. And I'm going to mix the rice in. Lastly, we'll add our Thai basil leaves and give it a good mix. We add the Thai basil in the end because when they get in contact with heat, they turn dark, black. This way it will stay nice and green. Thai chili basil fried rice is ready. Turn off the heat. Let's serve this spicy hot beauty. Well, you guys just saw how easy and quick this was, and no compromise on the taste at all. Delicious food that makes you happy. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Promise to bring you absolutely easy and amazing recipes that you and I are gonna cook for our family. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.